Hey guys, MicahNike here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple cannon. To make this cannon you will need 3 pieces. You will need this pole piece, pretty much any set of wheels. I just chose these ones since these ones look the best on the cannon, and this engine piece. To build the cannon, all you need to do is to put this engine piece onto these wheels and then simply just put this right into the back of here. And there you go, you got your cannons. You can maybe build quite a few of them if you have all the pieces that are right for them, and you can just go into a battle. Here's a simple battle scene that I made to show off the cannons. So if you're curious how I got the fire to go out of the cannon, here's how I did it. First, you gotta grab a fire piece. This one would also work if you want to do a smaller one. And you grab one of these flick fire missile pieces and put it on here. Then next, you have to look down the barrel of this, but first take this out so that you can just narrow it down into here. So I don't know if you can see it well on camera, but what I'm doing is I'm sticking it right into the center of here. Don't stick it down too far, you want to make room for this piece. Then stick this one back up here, and in order for it not to fall over, you will need someone to hang on to this. So that's how I do that. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and let me know what kind of tutorials that you would like to see next on the channel. I'm currently building a big mock on Navarro. If you'd like to see that, then it is in the pinned comment. I am also working on a stop motion, so if you like that, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Stay positive and have a great day.